Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS ADISTAR Cushion. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got to look at the ADIDAS ADISTAR Cushion. We got this in the UK size 8. It's European 8.5. Oh, forgive me, no, it's not. It's a US 8.5 and it's a European 42. And we got this in the grey and red colorway. And let's just take a look at the boxes. And I mean, this is the one thing that kind of irritates me about this one, and that is because this, I would consider this not an ADIDAS original silhouette, but you've got an ADIDAS original box. Don't get me wrong, this box is gorgeous though. I love the old school look, but this should have, the normal three stripe ADIDAS logo that we used to, the more modern one. But that's just me, and I love the box anyway, but it would be nice if it was the normal three stripe one. And if you look at the sneaker itself, you'll understand why right here. But it does have the ADIDAS Originals logo as well. I'm pretty sure the original did way back in 2005. So this, as I mentioned, 2005, this sneaker debuted in 2005, and at the time it was ahead of its time. I keep saying time. It was ahead of its time in regards to the functionality of all the running sneakers at the time, and that was an era when you had to your Gel Cayanos from ASICS, your Nike TN from the early 2000s. So that was the kind of look that was going here. Obviously kind of reminiscent from the ADIDAS Climate Cool and all of that. But this in itself, it looks like one of those mid-2000s. Well, obviously it was because it's made in the mid-2000s, but the same shape, the same design can be found, all the aspects from those sneakers around the area, if that makes any sense. I hope that makes sense. We can make more sense when we look at the details. So we're going to look at the details right now for you. So starting with the outsole. So the outsole is an all rubber outsole, and you can see the technology that is used here. So you have the adiprene cushioning that is found here, and it is made out of the insole as well. And then if you look at the midsole unit, so the midsole unit essentially is the same adiprene foam that's exposed. Forgot to mention that this bit is exposed where on the outsole, but you can see the adiprene clearly on the midsole unit. And again, that's the cushioning right there for you. And you've got the torsion system as well for the plating, for your stability. It's just underneath the sneaker. So moving on to the upper, so it's a whole lot of textile materials. They're all man-made. You have your meshes, and then you have all your synthetic materials to do all the patterning. So the meshes there in the toe box is there obviously for the breathability. If you look at the laces, they're all rope laces. And this is the kind of thing that kind of irritates me about this sneaker. Well, obviously, as I mentioned, this sneaker looks like it should have the normal three stripe, but you've got the ADIDAS truffle logo there and the ADISTAR lettering on the tongue also. On the lateral side, you've got the three stripes right there, iconic for ADIDAS. And again, this can be found on the lateral side also. The whole patterning of the sneaker, like all the little details of the navy and even the reds that complements it, like the navy strips there that make the surrounding body of the sneaker. It reminds me of all those running sneakers from like ASICS, especially, and even New Balance as well. So again, that era in the early 2000s, a lot of sneakers were kind of the same design, if that makes any sense at all. And that's what's hot in the minute. Like if you look at what sneakers people are wearing now, it's the reminiscent of mid 2000s, early 2000s runners, such like the ADISTAR right here. Going again to the tongue, so let's finish off the details. And you've got a nice cushioned tongue. The ankle support is very cushioned. Obviously, this sneaker was intended for running. And then looking at the heel, you can faintly see it because it's white stitched, but you've got the Adidas truffle logo there also. The insole itself is a foam insole also, so it's got the ADISTAR. So that rounds up my review. Really excited to try this on because this is like, again, reminiscent of that 2000s feel. This gives me a look of when I was in high school. These were the kind of sneakers everyone was wearing at PE. Well, and even the fashion, like it was very fashionable as well because it's Adidas. I'm waffling. I'm sure you want to see me trying these on, so roll out footage of me trying these ADISTARs on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adi fit. I'm a UK size 8. My toes are where they need to be, and these are really comfortable. Very lightweight as well. But see, I mean, obviously having a nice feel of the sneaker before trying it on, it was lightweight, but as soon as I put these on, it does feel like I'm walking on air, honestly. These look really cool on as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I think these are dope. If anyone's wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo parachute pants. I don't think they still have it on the website, but do check your local Uniqlo store. They might have it on the website, I've not checked recently. This is not a paid ad from Uniqlo, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw us some comms your boy's way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.